We're going to put OEDRO Running Boards on a 2012 Wrangler today, JK. The other side measured about 20 inches from the stock step down to the gravel, so let's see what this side measures. I know it's not real accurate, but this side measures about 19 inches. So as I take out this last bolt, there'll be nothing holding it really. Except the bolts come through the holes on the side. So now it's free, totally free. And there it goes. I have one stock running board off already. There were 3 bolts times 3 mounting locations, so a total of 9 nuts and bolts that needed to come off. Like the instructions say, it was a 10 millimeter and a 13 millimeter socket, and some of them were kind of snugged up against the body mount, so I had to use a box wrench to get some of them off. Well, let's go ahead and unwrap this. And there it is. Go ahead and put it on. I've got it held on with about 3 bolts right now. I'm going to go ahead and put the other ones in, just sort of finger tight, and then we'll go ahead and tighten it up. Let's get a better measurement on this. It's right under 15, so let's look at the other side, which I haven't done yet. Now that we're on concrete, about 19, so a good 4 inches lower. And there's what it looks like finished. Pretty nice, easy installation, and I think it looks nice, and it'll be so much easier to get in and out. Thanks for watching.